January of 2018, Friederike chewed through northern Europe, disrupting the lives of millions.
Whoa! Imagine if you're on the top floor of this apartment complex and you're thinking, it's a windy day out there, but then the roof gets peeled off. Pretty remarkable stuff.
Friederike slams 8 countries, often while people are doing their everyday routines.
It is the closest call. You could not have been any closer. You see the tree, it's swaying just a little bit, and you briefly see her look over at the tree like maybe she suspects something's not quite right, but she turns away, and down it comes.
Everyone in these videos survived, but Friederike killed at least 12 and left behind some $3 billion in damages. True or false? Police shut down a city because Friederike was so dangerous. In Almere, a Dutch city of 200,000, Friederike tossed so many shards of broken glass through the air, police shut down the city to pedestrians.